Hello everyone, let me know how is going everything. So today I'm going to discuss with you my life related topic, which is I told you so many times in my previous videos that I never get that much free time to practice my English and I always stay busy. So why I always stay busy? Let me clear you today. Okay. So I will show you something. Just you have to see and just understand that why I will say you that I'm busy. Okay. So first of all, now I am sitting on a chair in my shop, and I have a shop. Also, I told you so many times that I'm managing my shop. Also, I'm running a coaching center. So I will show you everything. Okay. So now I'm using my phone back camera to show you properly. Now I switch my phone camera. Now as you can see, here is my computer. Now it's turned off because there is no electricity. So when electricity comes, I will turn on again it. But now you can see here is some Bikash sticker and Nagad sticker. Basically I do Nagad Bikash transaction and Fexolute also. On the other hand, by using computer I do so many online tasks. I mean document compose and others work actually. Also, if I show you that here is some medicine, actually I sometimes sell some medicine. Okay. And in my left side, if I show you, then you can see there is a river. Right now it's full of water, and also today's weather is a rainy day. I mean it's drizzling right now, and you can see one boat it crossing the river. And also there is a road, and maybe you notice there's so many auto rickshaw on the road. And opposite side, I mean as you can see here, the tin shed house. I mean this is my coaching center, and it is help me that managing my shop, also my coaching center at a time. So when I start teaching, I just go there and teach students, and when my teaching profession is done, I just go back to my shop, and that's why actually I stay busy all this time. Okay. I hope they done very well that managing shop, also running a coaching center, and it's too tough to maintain two things at a time. But I'm trying my level best. Also, I'm trying practicing my English speaking so that I can grow my business, also my coaching center, and I can build a good career. Okay, so take care. Bye bye.